welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be doing something totally different, but it's still all about tote bag, but this time around is the kind of different shape and different design of tote bag itself. So first of all, let me show you. This is a love shaped tote bag which I just made. So this is the shape we are making today, or I have made today. So this is one. This is a different design and it has been painted already. So can you see? So it's totally different from the ones we've been making. There are different shapes. You can decide to be creative with your shape, your cutting, and whatever it is you want to involve in your craft. So first of all, let me just turn it so I can show you how I came about the design itself. How I came about the shape. So first of all, this is the outer. Yes. So this is the design. Can you see the shape? I'll show you the measurement. So first of all, the measurement of the tote bag, the A-shaped tote bag, is going to be, you have to take your measurement. It depends on the kind of size, any kind of size you want. You can always take your measurement in that aspect or in that kind of shape. So because we are doing love shape, the measurement for this particular tote bag will be different from the ones we do normally, the normal size of tote bag. So first of all, let me bring out my tape roll. So here is my tape roll. So first of all, the length I want to use. So we have, because this has returned in, this is 12 on the dot, but because there's a space I left for turning in, so it's going to be, let's say, 13 and a half. So it's going to be 13 and a half for the turning, this turning here. Can you see? So after cutting the tote back, you have to turn it this way. By this way, you cut out the shape you exactly want, whether it is oval, whether it is triangle, whether it is a rectangle, whatever shape you want. The way you fold your clothes will determine what kind of design you're going to be coming out with. So because I'm doing A shape, I'm doing love shape, you fold it like this. After folding it like this, you take your measurement. Here is the measurement. This is 14 inches. So after that, you measure the breadth, which is 6 inches. But because this one is folded into 4, that would be 20. That would be 12 altogether. No, that would be. This is 11 and a half. So let's say front is 11, back is 11, which makes it 22 inches for the breadth. So then the measurement for the tote bag itself, for the handle, the hand strap, the normal measurement you always use for tote bag is what we'll be using for this one, which is 24, sometimes can be 26. So after that, you join them together, you pass in your needle, your thread, then you do what? You sew it round. This is going to be A shape. There are some love shaped tote bags that are exactly very, very, it's not as wide as this. It's very, very tiny, like it's very sharp. But this one is not sharp this time around. So we just sew it straight because of the design we want. So after sewing, this is the turning in. We're also going to do the measurement for the turning in. So let me show you how I came about this. After cutting this front and back, the body of the tote bag, I did the measurement for the turning in. Can you see? This is the turning in. So this is how we came about it. This is the front, then this is the back. So the same measurement. Once I'm done with this tote bag, now that I'm done with this tote bag, I'm going to be doing inner whipping. But because I want to show you how we came about it, that's why I've not done the inner whipping. Most times, all my tote bag comes with inner whipping. So this is it. After sewing, you attach the hand. Can you see the hand in between? And then you sew. So that is that. Yes, that is that. So let's turn it back. So this is now the tote bag. After the sewing, I have to just paint it so I can just do the theory side of it. Since we've been sewing tote bag for a very long time, now can you see the shape we came about? The handle, the hand strap. Can you see? And we painted it according to the customer's preference. Sorry, this was the color the customer ordered or actually chose for this tote bag. So that's why we have it here. Can you see the color? So we just whatever design you want to put on your tote bag, you have to first measure it, or you have to first sketch it out with your pencil. Then after pencil, you can now paint it however you want it. So that was how we came about it. So in case you have any question, you can always send it through the comment section. And if you also want me to teach you a particular, or you want me to give you a personal lesson, you can also message me on WhatsApp, which I will be attaching to my YouTube channel. So you can message me from there. Any kind of craft you want to learn how to sew, I can always teach you. Yes, one on one. It will attach some fees, anyways, but it's something you can afford. So that is that for today. And thank you for joining my channel. So that is that. Thank you.